Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to see your Temu seating balance. So let's get into the video. So if you want to check your Temu seating balance, so just open up Google and then type in Temu seating balance. So it will get you to the influencer page here. So this is the influencer program page. So if you search for it, then you can just click on it. So when you click on it, what happens is this will take you to your influencer page here. So since I've already logged in, so I'll be able to view my page. If you have not logged in, then you're going to log into your Temu account. So you need your Temu account in order to do this. So once I've logged in, this is your page here, your home page on the influencer program. So here, if you want to check your balance, your seating balance will be mentioned here. So if you see under my benefits, there'll be an option here called seating balance. So if you can click on it, so it will basically show your balance, and then if you click on it, you can see all the details associated with it. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in